Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I wanted to show you what I got from Furls. So I ordered some hooks from Furls, and I got this cute bag. It is absolutely adorable, and I love it. It is so totes adorable, and it's just super cute. It holds quite a bit. It's bigger than their normal wristlet bags, and it's from their birthday hooks. And I ordered 3 of the same hook, and so I only have to show you one of them because the other ones are identical. So what I ordered was this hook, and I'm going to show you what the end of the hook says, if it'll read it for me. It says, "Quick, get the yarn." That is super funny. But here's the hook. You can take off the tab at the end, even though it doesn't want to come off. I'll get it off of there. Alright, and here's the hook. It is their birthday, in our birthday edition, glitter hook. And how beautiful is that? And I got this one in the G+, which is, here it is, see if it'll read it. It is a 4.5 millimeter, and that is so cute. But I love the glitter of this hook. It's absolutely beautiful, and I don't know if you can really see the head on that, but it is a gorgeous hook. There you go, now you can kind of see it. It is a beautiful hook. Absolutely stunning with all the glitter in it. Very sparkly. Super sparkly. Love it. So this was an amazing hook. Well worth it. I ordered these on the day that they had 25% off, so I got a really good deal on them. So I really like those. I hope you enjoyed seeing the hook. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.